Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up some of my Young Living loyalty orders. These orders are for the months of April and May. So real quick, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have personal care items. They have nutritional items and supplements and things like that are all essential oil infused. So I participate in their loyalty orders program. And so each month I'm committed to spending at least $50 on Young Living products. And so by doing the loyalty orders program, I can go in and change the items that are sent to me each month. And so each month I usually go in and I have a combination of essential oils, personal care products, supplements, and every now and then I order some of their household cleaning products. And so the benefit of participating in the Young Living loyalty orders program is that you get 25% back in loyalty points to spend towards free items. So each month, whatever I spend, I get 25% back in points, and I get to apply those points towards items that I want to get for free. I think it's a win-win. So I'm going to start with my April order. All right, so the first item I see on top are the Young Living Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers. And so these shower steamers are great if you have any issues where you need additional respiratory support. So there are 4 shower steamers in this package, and it says the crisp, effervescent scent of peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils combine to drift through warm shower steam, filling your shower with a rejuvenating aroma. Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers infuse your morning with an invigorating, luxurious, spa-like experience. And so the main essential oils in here are the peppermint and the eucalyptus globulus, which are both great for helping to support your respiratory system. I do have allergies, and so I often like to use these during the winter and the spring months when I need additional support. So those are great. Next in my box, I see a package that has the Young Living Hand and Body Lotion. And so I love Young Living's Hand and Body Lotion. The Lavender Hand and Body Lotion is something that I use after I take a shower or a bath. I like to apply it when I'm still a little moist, and it glides on really smoothly. So it says infused with pure lavender essential oil, lavender hand and body lotion moisturizes and hydrates the skin with a relaxing, soothing scent. The one thing I love about Young Living's products like this is that they are clean and natural. It says formulated without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And so the essential oils that it has in it are lavender, sandalwood, lemon, rosemary, and myrrh essential oils, which are all great for the skin. So I usually have to get one of these about once every couple of months because they tend to last for quite a while. Next, I have a small tube, and small tubes usually are essential oils. And so the first essential oil is Peppermint Essential Oil. This is a single. There's only peppermint in it. So for this time of year, peppermint is great for helping to support the respiratory system. It's very popular in the lemon, lavender, and peppermint essential oil diffuser blend that people like to diffuse to help support their seasonal changes and things like that. I also like to use peppermint just to freshen things up. I like to put a drop of peppermint in my shoes to help freshen my shoes when I'm wearing them and things like that. So peppermint's just a really good one to have, and I was running low. Next in the tube is Purification. And so Purification is an essential oil blend. This one is great for diffusing to help freshen the home. If you've cooked something in your home and it kind of like makes your house smell, this is a good one. It helps to purify and cleanse the air. It is a blend, so it contains multiple essential oils. So let me read to you what it says about Purification in the book. All right, so it says, the sweet, refreshing scent of Purification instantly deodorizes and neutralizes the air. Apply it topically to enjoy the outdoors annoyance-free. And the ingredients in it are lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, myrtle, citronella, and lavender. And it says you can diffuse it, inhale directly, or apply topically. So another way that I like to use Purification is I like to take Purification, peppermint, and thieves and put it in a spray bottle, add some water, and then I can spritz myself with that spray to help enjoy the outdoors annoyance-free, especially in the summer months when I'm going to be outside more. And so lastly, my tube is a favorite of my husband's. And so if you've been watching my channel for any time, you know that my husband loves the Shutran Beard Oil. He has a longer beard, and so he likes to maintain that beard, and he loves this beard oil. So I always put one of these in my loyalty orders each month because it usually lasts him a month and then he needs a new one. So the Shutran Beard Oil is part of the men's line, and so they have a whole Shutran line of products that have the Shutran Essential Oil in them, which smells really good. So let me read to you what's in the Shutran Essential Oil so you'll know what this smells like. All right, so the Shutran Essential Oil blend has Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Davana, Lavender, Cedarwood, Lemon, and Northern Lights Black Spruce in it. And it is a really nice scent. And they also have a men's body wash, an aftershave lotion, a bar soap, and a shave cream that all have that essential oil in them. And so that's my April order. All right, so for my May order, we're gonna start off with that Shutran Beard Oil. Again, like I said, I put one of these in my order each month because my husband loves it. And then next I have something that I order about every 4 to 5 months, maybe 6 months. It is the acne treatment. It is maximum strength with 2% salicylic acid. It says clears acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads. So I have a little bit of an issue with acne around my chin area and around my nose area. And so this is just part of my daily facial routine that I like to apply to help maintain those areas of my skin and keep them blemish free. Let me read to you from the book about the acne treatment. All right, so it says clear acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads, and allow your skin to heal with this over-the-counter product developed with naturally derived maximum strength salicylic acid, enhanced with pure essential oils. Maximum strength acne treatment helps keep skin clear and smooth. So to use it, it says cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying this product. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. So I usually use it once a day, usually at nighttime before I go to bed. And so that's just a really nice facial product to have, especially if you're like me and you're prone to having breakouts around the nose and the chin. Next is a lavender bath and shower gel. So I have the hand and body lotion, and I like to use the lavender bath and shower gel. I usually rotate between the lavender bath and shower gel and the morning start bath and shower gel. And so I was running low, so I ordered this one. And it says infused with pure lavender essential oil. Lavender bath and shower gel cleanses and soothes the skin with a mild plant-based formula that doesn't strip skin of needed moisture. So it has other essential oils. It includes lavender, lemon, rosemary, Davana, and myrrh essential oils, which are very similar to what's in the hand and body lotion. And then I have another small tube, and I ordered a grapefruit essential oil. This is a single. And so grapefruit is just a really nice essential oil to diffuse in the summertime. There are a lot of diffuser blends that contain a lot of the citrus oils. And so I was running low on grapefruit, so I added that to my loyalty order. And then one more teeny tiny tube. And it has tangerine. And so another citrus oil that I was running low on. So I decided to put that in my loyalty order. And so that is my May loyalty order. And then every couple months, I usually spend some of my loyalty points towards free items. And so I got a couple of free items this month. And so the first item I got using my loyalty points was the MultiGreens supplement. And so this is an herbal supplement. It says energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa Essential Oil. The directions say to take 3 capsules 2 times daily. I just take 1 capsule each day. I probably should try taking a couple of capsules each day to see if it makes a difference in my energy levels. So maybe I can try that soon. All right, so some of the other essential oils in here. The print's a little small, but it says rosemary, lemon, lemongrass, and Melissa Essential Oil. So that's a good one. I just like to take it with my other supplements. I usually like to take the MultiGreens in the morning to help kind of energize me and get me going for the day. All right, the last item I got for free using my loyalty points is a new essential oil to me. I have really been wanting to try this essential oil, and it is the Cassia Essential Oil. And Cassia is supposed to be similar to cinnamon bark. I'm going to open it up and smell it real quick. Ooh, it does smell like cinnamon. I like that. So cinnamon bark can be a little bit pricey, and it only comes in the 5 milliliter bottles, but Cassia comes in this 15 milliliter bottle, and so I was really interested in trying it. That smells really good. So I'm sure I can find lots of ways to use that. And so one of the things I like about getting the loyalty points back when I spend money each month on my loyalty orders is I love being able to try new items. I'll try new essential oils or new skincare products and things like that. So I just really love trying these new items for free. And so those are my loyalty orders for April, May, and then I have a couple of free items here. If you have any questions about Young Living, please let me know. I will leave my referral link in the description box below. Basically, if you click on that link, you can try a few of these items for yourself. I love Young Living products. I've been using them for over, I think I'm going on my 8th year now. And so, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.